Welcome to Seesaw's Benchmark Assessments tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to locate benchmark assessments, assign a benchmark assessment, use baseline data to get an understanding of comprehension by student and by class. Let's jump in and explore the power and ease of Seesaw's benchmark assessments. Seesaw's grab-and-go benchmark assessments save teachers time with auto-grading features wherever possible, making assessment effortless and data insights instant. Once logged in, click Explore Libraries. From the Seesaw library, select Assessments, and then organize your view by collections. Seesaw's benchmark assessments are available in ELA and Math for kindergarten through 5th grade. Select the subject you want to assign a benchmark assessment for, ELA or Math, and then filter to the grade level that applies to your students. Benchmark assessments focus on a single standard or skill and prompt students to use a variety of outputs, including written, audio, drawing, and more. These ready-made tests can be given at the start of the school year or unit, providing teachers with priceless insights and allowing them to meet learners where they are. Benchmark assessments can be given to students multiple times a year to track and monitor growth using the same questions. Select the assessment you would like to assign. Before assigning, you can view the assessment as a student to better understand the content if desired. And when ready, click Assign. Follow the assignment flow, assigning to all students by default, or selecting the appropriate group or individual students if targeted instruction is needed. You can also select a start date if you do not want students to immediately access the assessment. Once complete, click Assign Now. Seesaw's benchmark assessments provide teachers with easy-to-interpret, actionable data that allows teachers to meet students where they are, provide support where needed, or supply an extra challenge. Benchmark assessments leverage auto-graded features wherever possible for quick reporting and grading. From the gradebook, teachers can easily access completed assessments to gain deeper insights into student understanding. Once the assessment is selected, teachers can see the class score distribution, which students fell into which scoring range, the number of students who got questions correct or incorrect, and a breakdown of how specific students answered each question. Teachers can also select an individual student to review in greater detail how they did. After reviewing the benchmark assessments and student performance against the skill or standard, teachers can assign activities from the Seesaw library or create their own activities to support student needs. That brings us to the end of Seesaw's benchmark assessments tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit the Help Center for additional support.